Hey, welcome back. In today's video, what we're going to do is work on the airbag systems for the LS Swap Shop Top 51 Ford. So stay tuned. Yeah, so today what we're going to work on is getting all the lines ran in the car, get the switches all plumbed in, get the gauges all plumbed in, and hopefully start tying down some of the harness. That way it's pretty much all done, besides hooking up the compressor to a switch and a battery source. So yeah, I'll put you guys on time lapse and we'll go from there. So I didn't do too terribly much filming in the beginning because we were working on the rally car. But I've got all the airlines basically roughed in for the system. So I'm going to hook up the compressor to just a jump pack, see how it looks, like fill it up. And then hopefully we'll be able to test to see if it goes up and see if it goes down. So I'll bring you guys along and we'll see what we got going on. Yeah, so far so good. We got the, let's hold the pressure, so we're going to attempt to raise the front here real quick. Ready?
Yep. Oh yeah. Going up like a honeymoon hard on.
All right, let's try the rear.
Let's see if we can get some rear lift here.
How's it look?
Looks pretty good.
Sounds like you got a little bit of a leak in the rear, but I think I've always had
Yeah.
that.
Can you go up any more with the rear?
Not really. The rear is pretty low.
Oh, okay.
It's a tail dragger. All right, let's try lowering now.
I think you're all the way down on the back. All right, let's watch this front. Sweet. This is definitely on the ground.
Yeah, so got some of the lines secured. I don't know how well you'll be able to see it. My light died. The gauges and the switches are in. So yeah, pretty much the airbag system is done. Like I said, I still got to hook up the compressor to a like a battery or a switch and stuff. Can do that later. It's not that big a deal, but that's one thing I can cross off the list. So next we're going to work on the headers. Yeah, the headers. That'll be a good project, so I'm going to do a lot of fabrication for that. So we'll go from there. All right, bye.